So enw'r prosiect di Micro Ofalwyr, neu Microcare, Sir y Fflint. Mae'n brosiect da ni wedi datblygu dros chydig o flynyddoedd erbyn hyn, ymneithu darparwyr bach i ddod i fewn at byd o ofal a edrych ar ôl pobl.
With what job, I always put it in inverted commas because it doesn't feel like a job. Could you come away and feel like you've made a difference to those people that day? So generally I have 3 clients a day, so to come away from each one and feel like you've made a difference to their lives that day, it's absolutely huge. So it's really, really fulfilling. It's just lovely, and I love the stories that they tell me about their lives as well. I think that's wonderful.
We hear benefits from both the individuals who are supported, also from the microcarers themselves and how it's changed their lives. And that is a credit to everyone who's been out there working hard to really create this service and this project and develop this project.
The difference between the care and the support that Dad gets with Toby and the continuity is, I think, really important. Whereas my mother-in-law had quite a lot of different carers coming in and found that sort of quite disorientating. So I think that having that continuity makes a huge difference, and it's just sort of building up a relationship.
What kind of things do we do?
Everything.
We go out, don't we, on trips?
Yeah.
And we do your washing.
Yeah. They look after me.
Yeah, and you go and have your hair done, don't you?
Yeah. You're a friend.
Yeah.